Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay Slay and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be creating some bling clips with a few of these items, and I'm going to start by using these gems or rhinestones I purchased from Amazon. I'll link them below in the description. I'm just going to show you how I blinged out one of the letters, and then I'm just going to fast forward through this whole process. I just want to show you one letter and then we'll move forward to making a clip. Now, while you watch me bling out this letter S, I want to say hello to all my new subscribers and hello to all my subbies. Love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch for new videos each week. So basically what I'm doing here is I just chose the rhinestone size that I felt covered the letter the most. So I wouldn't have to put so many on there. So I used the biggest rhinestone in this pack, and I'm just dotting the super glue onto the letter and then placing the rhinestone on top of the glue. I'm using a, I guess you want to call it a rhinestone pen that you can just easily pick it up and put it on there instead of having to struggle with like tweezers or anything like that. So this is definitely a helpful tool. If you want this tool, you can purchase it at Michael's, and I'm sure you can find it at Joann's or Hobby Lobby. Okay, so now that I put the bigger rhinestones on, I'm going in between each of those rhinestones around the edge and just putting a small rhinestone in between to fill in those gaps, because I don't want you to be able to see the wood. I want it to be super blinged out, and I don't want any extra wood showing. So this particular pack has, like, I believe, I want to say 5 different sizes of rhinestones. In each little compartment, it has like double of one size, if I'm not mistaken. So there were a lot of the little ones, so there was a lot to go around. So that's what you see me doing here. So I'm finished blinging the S out. I'm gonna go around the edges off camera to cover up the wood, but I just wanted to show you that. So I finished all of the letters, I blinged out the edges, and I'm just gonna show you what I mean here. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna start applying the letters to the clip. So I'm going to use the super glue again and just dot where the letter will go and then place the letter there. Now it will need a second or two to dry, so you'll see me playing around with it for a little while there just to get it adjusted and make sure it actually stays glued in the place that I want it to be. Okay. It's your girl Jay Slay. It's so cute. So that's the finished Slay clip. I'm gonna move on to the next clip, where I'm gonna be using some gold rhinestones. These are more plastic, but it's less wear and tear on these. And I'm gonna take a glow clip here, and I'm just gonna put that over the top of the clip. This one is very easy. Once you cut the roll of rhinestones off, you just peel off the sticky on the back and then stick it on the clip, and then you get this result. Clean off any fringed edges, and then you can move on to your next one. So this one, I'm gonna be doing a pearl clip for all my classy ladies out there. And I'm gonna use a silver clip, and I'm gonna use that gem tool and just apply those pearls into the adhesive and then place it onto the clip. This one's very easy, doesn't take long at all. Once you're finished, you will have a nice, beautiful, curled out clip. These two options are for the ladies who don't like the super blinged out version that I just did in the very beginning of the video, and you want more of a classy look. This is for you. The combinations you can make putting these bling clips together are endless. I mean, look at this. You can make a pearl, you can make a diamond, you can have gems, you can have rhinestones. I mean, look at these. Some of these I showed you in the video and some of these I did off camera. What do you guys think? Tell me below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is your girl J Slay, and I'll be back with more videos.